welcome back to another episode on Kristie versus Kitchen. Now, I want you guys to know I heard you, and I heard that you love my hilarious commentary. So I am back in all of my glory to bring you guys another epic recipe. So in today's episode, we are going to be trying another TikTok trend that is apparently supposed to like blow our socks off. Now, I know 4th of July is coming up and you know, America equals pie, so I wanted to try this trend for you before this big holiday gets started. And you guys, the main ingredient is water. That's right, this is a water pie. Like, I didn't know there was such a thing as a water pie. So apparently it's super easy and it's supposed to be the best pie you've ever tasted. Now, I'm not sure if that is how it's gonna go, but that's what I'm here for. So we're gonna find out. For today's recipe, you are going to need some pre-made pie crust, and no, not to the graham cracker crust. You need the full-on dough, like think Thanksgiving pie crust. And I've got that sitting here at room temperature. So we have our pie crust. I've got 2 of them. I'm going to use, this will be a spare one just in case we mess up, which you know, that tends to happen. We are going to need all-purpose flour. We're going to need granulated sugar, some vanilla, and butter. And apparently that's it. So I got the oven set for 400 degrees, and you know, this should be as easy as pie. All right, so we are ready to go ahead and assemble. So what we are going to need is 1.5 cup of water, a cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of flour, 5 tablespoons of butter, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and that is it. So, I don't know, here we go, let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna start with the water. Okay, so that is like literally just like water pie. That is so funny. Now I'm gonna mix this together first. And then we're just gonna like sift this in here, and we're not supposed to stir this like at all, so we're just gonna go. This looks like something I would have done when I was like maybe 4 in just like plain kitchen. Let's like make a pie with water. Okay, the next thing we're gonna add is 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then we're gonna add 5 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and I guess that's it. So it's gonna go into the oven now for 40 minutes. Oh no! While it's baking, you can mop your floors. Alright, it has been 40 minutes. I'm really excited to see what these are gonna look like. Okay, we got some spillage happening. Those do not look done. Are they supposed to be that watery? They're going back in. Something that I Okay, we got every fan going. This does not look right. We got every fan going because it's overflowing. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to get these out. Dude, I don't know. Okay, this was a big prank. Alright everybody, we're back. We have our water pies that are pretty much water. These did not set up how they were supposed to set up. I even put them in the freezer and it did not work. I'm gonna like chalk this up to a total fail. I think that if you did maybe less water, I don't know why I called for a cup and a half. I think if you were to do a cup, it would probably turn out a lot better. So I'm like uber disappointed, but I still think that we need to at least just like try it and see what it even tastes like. So as you can see, it did solidify a little bit, but not, there's no way you're gonna be able to cut into this. It looks like a pudding pie. Well, we know the pie crust is gonna be good because we didn't make that. Okay, here we go, cheers. Okay, so I'm actually really surprised because the flavor is actually really good. It's like vanilla. It's actually really, really good, the flavor of it. I think that if it were to have actually set up, it'd be really good, but it tastes like a vanilla pudding in a way. Oh, it's actually pretty good. And I know you guys are curious about the blue one. It's gonna taste just like a blueberry. Or no, it's not gonna taste like a blueberry pie. It's just blue. And this one's like even more liquidy. Gosh, I'm really disappointed. I do have to say, the crust is probably the best part. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching another episode on Kristie vs. Kitchen. Make sure to like the video if you liked it. Let me know down in the comments below if you are gonna try this. I think you should. And if you make it and you do better than me, you gotta let me know what you did differently. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. And I'm going to just do the crust for the cheers, because that was literally, we'll just kind of spoon some. Okay, here we go. Cheers.